Okay, you can see the difference inside. This is the system that's going back to the factory. It's oxidized too quick with the color, so we're sending it back for a remake. Doesn't happen often, but when it does, it does. So we do something about it. This is the system that's going to be fitted, so you can see we've got to customize the one on the left to the one on the right. Here we go. The template. You probably can't see the. Oh, there we go. You can see the dark outline. So we use that to cut the other one down. All good. Okay, so the client. Should we call you Bartholomew? Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's got a lovely bit of hair at the front, so we kept that for the fitting, obviously. So that's probably extra light plus 10% on a system. And so we'll put the system behind, and pretty much is undetectable once with a bit of hair at the front. So we're putting ultra held all the way around, including the front, just in front of the hairline. And we're using tapes all the way around. So tape and ultra hold adhesive for the attachment. Nobody's ever going to know, are they? In a gillion years. Oh. Seen enough, everyone? Impressed? That's impressive, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's where the client's hair, Bartholomew, isn't it? Bartholomew's
Yeah,
hair,
follow me.
and the system. We brushed it back, and well, what can you say? And then you do that. It's undetectable. That's what a well-made hair system looks like.